Hello guys, my name is Attila and in today's video we are going to talk about the best ways to package and sell GoHighLevel to businesses. Alright, so here is what we are going to cover. The platform only model, the ads plus platform model, the website plus platform model, and also the database reactivation model. Alright, so let's dive into the 4 ways you can package and sell GoHighLevel. I will walk you through the pricing, the advantages, the challenges, and exactly who these packages are perfect for. By end of this, you will know exactly which one or maybe even a combination will work best for clients. First, let's start with the most basic offer, the platform-only package. This is basically you selling just the GoHighLevel software to your clients, nothing extra. The idea is to give them a powerful tool to run their business. Now let's talk advantages. First, is super simple for you. You don't have to spend hours setting things up, just onboard them, give them access, and you are done. Second, it's incredibly low maintenance. Once they are set up, most of the work is automated. This makes it perfect if you are juggling multiple clients or just starting out and want to keep things manageable. And third, it's affordable for a client. A $100 setup fee and $197 a month is easy to pitch to small businesses that are cautious about spending. But of course, there are some downsides. The biggest one is the low perceived value. Businesses might think, why should I pay you for this when I can sign up for the software directly? It also doesn't differentiate you from other resellers. If you want to stand out, you will need to upsell, add customizations later. So who is this for? This package works best for tech-savvy businesses that already have systems in place. Think of marketing agencies, consultants, or even solopreneurs who know they are doing and just need the software. Next up is the website plus platform package. This is where things start to get interesting because now you are offering a tangible service, building a custom website for the client on top of the software. Let's look at the advantages here. First, the perceived value skyrockets. A website is something clients can see and use every day, so they are more willing to pay the $700 setup fee. Second, you are solving a big problem for many small businesses. A lot of them either don't have a website or have an outdated one that's driving customers away. And third, you are adding a layer of professionalism to your offer, which makes you stand out from competitors who are only pitching software. But why? What about the challenges? Well, building a website takes time and effort, especially if you are offering custom designs. You might need to invest in website building tools or even outsource the work. Plus, not every business will see the value in a website. If they are already getting customers through social media, they might push back on the price. So who is this package for? It's perfect for small businesses that need a digital facelift, for example cafes, salons, fitness studios, or even real estate agents. They are usually willing to invest in a professional online presence, especially if you explain how it will bring them more customers. Alright, now we are stepping it up with the Ads Plus platform package. This one combines the GoHighLevel software with ad management services, and it's all about driving new leads and customers for the business. Here is why this package is awesome. First, the recurring revenue is much higher. With the $497 monthly fee, you are bringing in more money while delivering tangible result. Second, businesses love seeing intermediate returns. Ads can generate leads fast, and when they see the results, they are more likely to stick around. Third, you are offering a done-for-you service, which is incredibly valuable for businesses that don't have the time or expertise to run ads themselves. Now the flip side. Managing ad campaigns takes time and expertise. You will need to stay on the top of things like targeting, ad copy, and performance metrics. Not every business that has the budget for ads. Some might hesitate to commit to $497 a month if they don't see immediate results. So who is this package for? This is ideal for businesses that are ready to grow fast. Think about gyms, dental clinics, or e-commerce stores. They are usually more aggressive with their marketing and are willing to invest in advertising to see quick returns. And finally, let's talk about the database reactivation package. This is one of my favorites because it's so simple yet so effective. Here is how it works. You use GoHighLevel to help businesses reconnect with their existing leads and customers through SMS, email, or voicemail drops. It's all about engaging people who've already shown interest in the business. Why is this so powerful? First, it's a quick to set up. You are working with the client's existing database, so there is no need to generate new leads from scratch. Second, it delivers a high return on investments for the clients. It can be said as ROI. These are warm leads who are much more likely to convert compared to the cold traffic. Third, it's a unique offer that not many people are pitching, which makes it easier to sell. But it's not without its challenges. The 400 setup fee might feel steep for smaller businesses, especially if their database isn't very large. And it doesn't bring in new customers, it's all about reactivating the old ones. If the client is looking for new leads, this won't solve the problem. So who is this for? This package is perfect for businesses that already have a solid customer list but aren't doing enough to engage with them. Think gyms, beauty salons, or any businesses that relies on repeat customers. My criteria for database reactivation is a business that has been existing and operating for at least a year. After a year, you can run database reactivation campaigns successfully on small businesses. So there you have it, 4 different ways to package and sell GoHighLevel to businesses. Let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. First, we have the platform-only package, great for tech-savvy businesses who just need the tools. Then there is the website package, perfect for businesses that needs a fresh, professional online presence to invest in advertising. Next up is the Ads Plus platform package, ideal for clients who want a fast growth. And finally, the database reactivation package, a simple yet powerful way to re-engage warm leads and drive quick results. Each of these packages is something unique, and the best part, you can tweak them into fit needs specifics of your clients. Don't be afraid to experiment with pricing, add extra value, or even combine packages. The more you customize your offer, the easier it will be to stand out in the market. Now here is my challenge to you. Take what you have learned today and put it into action. Don't just sit on this information, start reaching out to businesses, testing these packages and seeing what works. And remember, selling GoHighLevel isn't just about making money, it's about helping businesses. If you are still unsure which package to start with, my advice is to keep it simple. Start with the platform-only package to get your foot in the door and then build from there. Over time, you will learn what your clients really need and how to structure your offers for a maximum impact. I would love to hear from you. Which of these packages are you most excited to try? Or do you already have a unique way of selling GoHighLevel that's working for you? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every comment and I'm always looking for new ideas and strategies to share with this community. And hey, if this video gave some value, do me a huge favor, hit that like button. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for spending time with me. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks and strategies in the next video. Until then, keep crushing it and I will see you soon. Peace.